Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Apex 5. In this video I'll show you how to adjust joystick's force. In the beginning, firstly remove D-pad. It can be a little tricky because it stays hard on the locks. Personally I used 2 additional paddles, place them under and push it up. Once you removed it, remove magnetic lock. Now, on the right side of the controller, we've got this special key. Remove it, and now adjust the force of joysticks via those 2 screws. Afterwards, don't forget to lock the key and reassemble your controller. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.